Subscription plan is a feature which will auto-renew memberships on a fixed date or on a sign-up date, auto-charging members' card on a monthly basis. Invoice will be auto-generated in the software on a monthly basis. It is going to be beneficial for the gym to increase their live members' monthly cash flow. Payment can be done by sending a payment link, reduces staff's effort to follow up with the member, safeguards the gym's policy, and generates the auto invoices. Now, I will just give you an overview of how the subscription billing looks like. So, for generating an invoice for subscription, it's pretty easy as you just need to search your client in this search tab. Once your client's details are reflected, you can click on membership bill option over here. After clicking on membership bill option, you will be redirected to the billing page. Here you can click on plan subscription. Plan subscription tab will give you the specific memberships which are created for the subscription. You can select the plan which your customer has finalized. You can set a billing cycle date, which means on that date the customer's amount will be deducted from their bank. Once you've selected the dates, you can click on add to cart. Once you've selected everything, you can just click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, your customer will receive a payment link on their registered email ID and an SMS on their registered phone number. Now, once your client makes the payment, you can search the client over here and you can see that the person has turned to member. You can go to the customer's profile. Here you can see the valid memberships of the member and the last four digits of his credit card. To check the invoices, you can click on purchase history and you can see the invoices created. On the invoice, you can see the plan which the customer has taken and the mode of payment through which he has paid. To check more details about subscription, you can click on subscription details tab over here. It will show you the name of the plan, the amount which will be under subscription details tab. You can see the name of the plan, the amount which will be deducted monthly, the next billing date, and you can see the expiry date of the membership. Below, under invoice history, you can see the invoices and the auto generated invoices as well. So, this is the overview about the subscription. For more detailing on the billing part, you can watch the videos of subscription billing in the software. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.